Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials, then act. First, open Chrome and check settings about to install updates. An outdated build often breaks features. Once updated, close any secondary profiles and disable suspect extensions temporarily so they're not blocking Incognito. Make sure Chrome isn't running in administrator-only mode. If it is, relaunch as a normal user. These quick checks remove common environmental causes and let you proceed to targeted fixes immediately. Now you'll perform the deeper actions that restore Incognito. Type Chrome//flags and reset any experimental flags to default. Experimental flags can disable private mode. Next, open Chrome//extensions and temporarily toggle off ad blockers or privacy extensions, then test Incognito. If Incognito is still blocked, check Chrome//policy. Enterprise or leftover local policies often disable it. On Windows, remove offending keys from the registry or delete policies in /etc. /opt/chrome/policies on Mac OS and Linux. Then restart Chrome. Finish by restoring Chrome to a clean state and verify Incognito works. If policies and extensions are cleared but Incognito remains disabled, create a new Chrome profile and test. Profile corruption can block features. When needed, export bookmarks, fully uninstall Chrome and delete user data folders, then reinstall the latest version. If Incognito is still blocked, check system parental controls, mobile device management, or antivirus/security suites that enforce browsing restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.